Hi guys, so in this video we're going to be showing you how to add a key fob to your PowerMaster 30 panel. Now the first thing you want to do is go into the user menu, so press the next button to see user setting and hit OK.
Please enter code.
Enter your code, in this case it's 1111. Again with the next button, keep pressing that till you see an option called KEYFOBS. There we are, KEYFOBS, press OK. You want to add a new key fob, so press OK. Now the easiest way to do this is hold down the star button till that top light goes yellow. There we are, and let go. And you can see it's come up with your ID number of your key fob, which means it's detected it and it's now enrolled in the system. So once that's done, you can exit the system by pressing the close padlock, and you'll say OK to exit and just hit OK.
Disarm. Ready to arm.
And that's all been done.